better go back to them and have the legal. Wala, for what? I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you ask me to go with you? Abogado ka?
Hindi po.
Ay, tawagan mo yung abogado mo.
Tol, si Alex.
Kasi kanina wala pang warrant. Sir, he used to be, sir, also
Our upper class.
Division
Commander, 60 million.
PC Dancer.
Ko, I'm sorry to be talking loudly, but you know, this is a serious matter.
They just transmitted to me, sir, a copy of the... Kanina, sir, nire-request ko na magpagbigyan lang kayo na makauwi sa bahay mga kuha ng mga gamit. Kasi wala pang warrant of arrest until we get a copy of the warrant of arrest.